to them a few once in a while. Because you will be wicked after listening to 4, 5, or 10 of them. How they are being treated by their employer. Only very few are treated well.
Yeah, they are
All of
lucky.
you are being treated well. At least many here, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's okay. Ganyan pa rin ba? Kahit ganyan, okay pa rin.
So,
Okay pa rin kasi may understand.
many they really suffer. And as of now, some would be terminated after a day, or even when they presented themselves because of the feng shui or their birthday.
Yes, yes.
Compatible with their birthday or whatever.
Yes, like that.
So
For the
after a
business.
day, they were sent out.
Yes.
So we have a shelter, 2 shelters, one for the Indonesians, because we have a big group of Indonesians, then another big shelter for Filipinos, but we also accept from other nationalities, Indians, Sri Lankans, we don't have Vietnamese yet, also from other countries, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, especially the victims of trafficking. So the consulate knows the diocese service that we have a shelter for them. So they just call us up and then bring their clients. So we have many. We are serving around 600 a year. Okay? And many, in the past months, last year and this year, many have been victims of scams.
Yeah.